Okay, this is a quick video for this KGW to operate IEC61850 server and client at the same time. Okay, for KGW, okay, if you're operating, for example, Modbus TCP/IP, you have the benefit to operate, for example, the client. You can operate multiple client, okay, and you also can operate multiple Modbus TCP/IP server at the same time. But for at this time of video, if you are operating IEC61850, okay, you only can if you're operating client, okay, then that means there's no room for IEC61850 server. Okay, so if you're operating server, okay, there will be no room for client. Okay, this is at this time of this video, this is the arrangement. Okay, but in the event, what if you need both the client and the server operation at the same time? Okay, you can't operate this because as I mentioned, you only can operate one function. So in such an event, if you need both, then you need to reach out to this last column over here to create this master, slave, this this client and server together. So the motive of this demo is to do that. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, right click, okay, and create this 61850. Okay, and select the driver. By the way, there's nothing to select, there's only one option. Okay, then you get to see this client over here and this server. Okay, so go to the general parameter first. Okay, we need to change this to 10. Okay, then we need to click this. Okay, once you click this, you see this box over here, click open and add new. Okay, so repeat this for the rest of the 4 row. Okay, second row, third row, and the 4th row. Okay, new. Okay, and yeah, okay, let's go to the client side. Okay, let's go to the client side. Right click and import the ICD file. Okay, so if you don't have a ICD file, okay, you need to reach out to the vendor to get the ICD file or CID file. Okay, if you don't have, I have an earlier video on how to generate this ICD file. Okay, let's import one. Okay, I already created one and the name is called test client. Okay, if I'm you, I do a right click and I open up with let me see if I can open up with let me see if I can open up with okay, maybe a notepad. Okay, see, does it open? Okay, good, it opened. You can take note, very important expectation is the device name over here, okay, must be tally with the file name over here. Okay, so whatever you import, make sure that this is the same. Okay, let's try yeah, let's continue. So okay, leave the name the same. Yeah, good to go. Okay, right click and import the test server. Yeah, so over here, let's try to select the variable that you want to try. Okay, let's create. Okay, I think there's a bug. You're supposed to select everything, but it's stuck here. I don't know why. Okay, let's try the other one. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Let's expand it out. Okay, so the workaround to solve this issue, why is it stuck here, is you sort of exit this, okay, exit this, and maybe create another, maybe go reach out to another program. Okay, I save it, then I go back to that program again, okay, project again, okay, and this now, if you expand it out, we start to see the option to select, okay, create, 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 and we repeat the same. So at this time of the video, what I see, what I can improvise is in this manner. So hopefully there's an improvement. There's a improvement on this program over here. Okay, after you do that, okay, the next thing I want to do is I go to the test client over here and punch in the IP address of that he's reaching out to. So for my case, is my own laptop, which is .10. Okay, go to this RCB configuration, which is also very important. Okay, click this box over here and add a new one. Press yes and new. Okay, expand this further. Okay, you get to see this this thing over here. Double click, you get to see there's some boxes to select. Okay, select the first, second, fourth, and fifth, and press. Okay, so if you select correctly, you should get a numerical value of 27, and press OK. Yeah. Okay, go to this test device, right click and do active. Okay, click this active. This is also very important. And yes. So press yes by default. Okay, if you do the active, if you go to the parameter setting, you'll get to see that it's been updated over here. And we are good to go. Okay, so let's have a quick test now. Okay, but before I do that, let's assign some variable for this server. Okay, I have this client service over here, and I'm already reaching out to a Modbus variable from 0 to 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to over here, and I'm going to assign the mapping over here. So again, 15, right click and let's right click and do a back change. Okay, and you get to, this is the assignment now. Okay, let me select AI0 to AI15. Press save. Okay, and download. Yeah, download. Okay, so select the correct project. For my case is this. Okay, for my case, usually the default IP address is 249, but for my case is 247 because I got a lot of device. So bear with me. Press OK. And yes, I want to remove that. There's an existing program already, so I want to remove it. If you are doing this for the first time, you won't get to see this. So it's been downloaded. Okay, then you need to reach out to the web page. Okay, and press this start. Okay, and it's been start. Okay, so let's have a quick review. Okay, let's have a quick review now. Okay, let me open up my okay, somehow it's not connected. I don't know why. Okay, never mind, let's try. Let's try connect. Yes. And let's review the client side first. And somehow it's offline. Okay, let me connect it up. Yeah, so we start to see numerical value over here, and this is at a running number, so this number is tally with this number. Okay, let's change this to maybe 77, see does it work. So almost immediately there's an update over here. Okay, this is for the Modbus client. Okay, let's reach out to the server. Okay, this is the server, and we should get we should get this value over here. Okay, let's change this to 66, see whether it update or not. Yeah, so by right, almost instantly it should update over here. Yeah, but it never happened. Okay, probably because it's trying to reach out to a client that is not existing, because this guy is trying to reach out to here. So we need to activate the client. Let's try open up the client. For my case, my testing tools is this. Okay, let's go to the simulator and open up the client, test client, and activate it. Okay. Then let's review this again. See, yeah, now it's updating. Okay, somehow at this point of the video, we need to really reach out to the client. Okay, let's have a quick check. 55. Okay. Yeah, it's not updating. Hopefully, or maybe I need to change the screen. To get it update. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so we need to change the screen to get it update. Okay, the next interest is, okay, let's try to read from the browser side. Okay, open the test server, change the IP address to 192.168.247 and save, and online. You should get online. Okay, good. Go to the report and do this, and you should get your value over here. Okay. Okay, notice the value is not in order because when we doing the mapping, it's in the alphabet order of the original address. Okay, let's try to input another value, maybe 44 over here. But 44 maybe not auspicious. Let's try 3.33. Okay, and enter. So that's, yeah, 3.33 over here. It get updated. Okay, let me try 2.22. It should update almost instantly. Yeah, this is a good testing. Okay, then the other interest will be the simulator. Okay, let's go to this model. Okay, and let's change the value of the first value. Okay, maybe change it to 123.321. Can we do that? Yeah. Okay, set, and followed by the second value. Let's set it maybe 7678.9.9. Yeah, something this. Set a known value. Okay, and if you reach out to the this thing this KYPMT software, if you reach out to here, yeah, you get the update over here. So I will post the the sample program and the ICD file under the link under the description. So yeah, with this I end my presentation. Thank you.